Hello friends. I have a small Soviet electric motor of 1968 on my desk. Of course it does not work, and this means that today I will take it apart for scrap. I hope to replenish my copper collection, and of course there will be a little duralumin and iron. And first, let's weigh it and find out its mass. The electric motor weighs 7 kilograms, and for its size it is quite a lot. I hope I can get at least a kilogram of copper. I think it will be very easy to disassemble it. Everything is held on by 4 studs, and to open it you just need to unscrew these nuts, which I will do now. A couple of blows with a hammer and we get access to the stator with a copper winding. And then I had a shock. I already wanted to throw everything in a box with iron right in this form, and then do not remove anything, but all because the winding turned out to be not copper but aluminum. Initially I didn't even think that this could be. I'm sure that there will be copper. But now it turns out all the efforts were in vain, and there is no copper there. But in the end I decided to finish the job. After all, I got this engine absolutely free of charge, and I think a kilogram of aluminum can be obtained from it. Sadly, of course, but there's nothing you can do. Then everything is as usual. With the help of wire cutters I cut off the windings in the middle and pull them out on the other side. Of course, it would be easier with a copper winding. Here aluminum is very soft and it often happens that the wire simply breaks. It was easier if you threw it into the fire for a couple of minutes, but there is neither the possibility nor the desire. The work is finished. To be honest, it was not easy, but everything is already behind. Now you can see how much metal turned out, and as always, you need to weigh everything. The motor housing is also aluminum, so I threw it on the scales along with the wire, and as we can see, it turned out 1 kilogram 266 grams. This is certainly not copper, but still it is money. For today, all friends, I'm waiting for your likes and comments under the video. Bye everyone.